Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing SickOs again. This time we're going to be doing version 1. Your last videos are not in the playlist, you make it private. The last one, yeah, then they come out after that. That's why I continue to have content coming out because I'm going to be leaving for a while. So that's when they come out like later on. So we're doing SickOs version 1.1 this time. Version 1.1. Okay, we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and look at this guy real quick. So I already have him up and running on Vulnhub. So we can go ahead and do a sudo net discover, right? And we can also run that if you want to. You can also run that mmap scan, mmap tac sn for 10.10.10.0 or whatever network you have yours on. Do I have him up and running? That's a good question. Maybe he's up and running. Yeah, he's up and running. Oh, 10.10.10.35. There we go. Okay, cool. So it looks like 10.10.35 is our guy. So we'll go ahead and start to look at him. Let's go ahead and do an mmap for him for 10.10.10.35, right? Remember, TAC T4, timing to 4, one above default TAC VB for very verbose. Do not ping all ports and no DNS lookup. So far we have port 22, not getting anything else. Go ahead and do a Rust scan on him. And 3128. Now 3128 is a proxy. So if I do an mmap TAC SC, TAC SV, TAC P 3128 for 10.10.10.35, say that is a proxy server like right there. Actually, I have to change something again here like real quick. Do a sudo nano etc host because I already put him as a host, thinking that that's how I would get to him, but it is not. Probably get rid of a lot of these guys, huh? Pretty much like all these guys, huh? So let's go ahead and take a look at this guy real quick. Now we know we're going through a proxy, right? So we can do a nicto scan. We can do a tac URL 10.10.10.10.35 tac use proxy 3128, I think it is. Is that how you do it? Okay. Use proxy 10.10.10.35 3128. And we can also do a go buster on him with a proxy scan, doing a go buster. Actually, no, I cannot do a go buster proxy scan. I'm going to do a Python 3 dir search, okay? And we're going to be looking for, right now it says localhost. We don't actually want to look for that yet. We want to just look for 10.10.10.35. And that's going to be going through a proxy 3128. We'll go ahead and enter on him. So this web server does actually return that we can, let me see here. I'm coming here. CGI bin status. Site appears to be vulnerable to shell shock. So it appears to be vulnerable to shell shock. I could not get the shell shock to work for me. Like for the life of me, I couldn't get it to work. So there are a couple different ways in this thing. Shell shock I couldn't get to work. So obviously I moved on to something else, right? So I did see this robots pop up, and I was like, all right, cool, let's look at that guy. So let me go ahead and take my notes like real quick, actually, for this guy right here. So we'll say mmap. Go ahead and do an mmap. 3128 is a squid proxy. Good evening, Al. Thank you very much. It's a squid proxy, right? We have nicto scan on a squid proxy like right here. We'll do that. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. And we'll say nicto. And then we'll throw this guy down here and they're also saying, hey, supposedly he is can be used for shell shock. However, I cannot get to work. Can use shell shock to work. Okay, then we'll also do a dir search or dir buster, whatever you want to call it, okay, for a directory search, right? And we have our dir search right here. And we do have robots down there. And we also have a connect too, which is something we want to take a look into. So connect and robots. The two things we want to take a look into, like right there. So let's go ahead and look at that robot.txt first. So I'm going to go to my Firefox and I'm going to set up a proxy. I did try to use like a proxy within Foxy Proxy. Then I realized that was becoming more of a pain than it was just to do it another way. So I just come into here, right, and then in the preferences, type in proxy, settings, and then just use 10.10.10.35, 31.28 is my proxy, and just set it for everything. Just allow manual proxy configuration, have that for everything. Obviously, when you're done with this box, make sure you change that back to normal. And then I can go to 10.10.10.35. Let me get this blur. All right, nothing in here. So we did see that /robots, right? And we have Wolf CMS. Okay, let's go ahead and check out that Wolf CMS. And like I said, I've been messing with, what is it? The Nycto scan for a while. So this is about as far as I got. I've been messing with that shell shock. So if we go to About Us, and I tried to look around here, I couldn't really see anything. All I do is question mark About Us. Wolf CMS, archives. There's no like admin page, question mark articles. CSS. Let's go ahead and save the, or RSS, excuse me. Let's go ahead and save the RSS file. And then it's question mark something also. So that's something to look into also. Let's go ahead and do a move from downloads. Actually, let's CD into desktop, Vulnhub. This one was called, oh, okay. Make directory for SickOs. CD into SickOs, I guess. And then we'll, from here, we'll go ahead and move downloads. And that was a peak, or a, I don't know what that volume was. Bash RC, baby auto level 1 teaching? What the hell is that? There's our pcap file, get management.log. I don't remember what this thing was even called. Let's go ahead and see what this thing's called like real quick first. RSS summary. Do we have a RSS? There is no RSS summary thing in here. So what are you called then? Save file. We open it up in Firefox. Oh. Okay. So we have an XML document. We have a link question mark articles. I haven't found anywhere to log in yet, so we have like a question mark login, like question mark admin or something like that. Can I put some of that into this guy? Can I say like, hey, go ahead and just do that question mark? Or are you gonna do like question mark and then you guys are gonna do like a thing behind it? See, I don't know if it's gonna put that slash behind there or not. We can always try question mark admin or something like that. Question mark login. That's weird that has a question mark. Question mark login. Question mark admin. Okay, so question mark slash admin slash login. So I did a question mark admin, we got to there. So we have a question mark slash admin slash login. Alright, this is all new. Let's try an admin. Okay, cool. So we're in there. So admin works. So articles, a second article, my first article. Can we upload something here? Administrator view, modify. Can I modify About Us? Can I modify that? Is this like PHP scripting or doesn't really look like it, does it? Save and close. Okay. Administration. Can I modify something within Wolf CMS? Wolf CMS upload. Oh, you guys can't see that, can you? One second. There we go. Alright, there we go. Wolf CMS arbitrary file upload. PHP web apps exploit DB. Okay. Where are you uploading it to? wolfcms.org. wolfcms downloads. Okay. Upload file, temp name, overwrite. Where are you uploading that file to though? Wolf CMS admin. Okay, so we actually have Wolf CMS admin like right there. Login, PHP session ID. Admin plugin file manager. Is that a thing? /admin /plugin /file manager. Okay, that's like where we start off at. We upload snippets, files, images, and themes. Can we upload, create a new file? No, upload a file. Let's try to move or copy a PHP verse shell script in here. Let's go and copy pentest monkey, I guess, PHP verse shell, and then we will nano him, because we do have to change the IP address 10.10.10.15. And I wonder if we can get called back, because it's still going through that proxy. LVMP 4444. Alright, let's try to go into upload file. Browse. And that was in documents. That's in Vulnhub, right? It's called SickOs PHP. Upload. Okay, so that uploaded. Can I just click on it now? Does it do anything? No, it didn't call back to me. Now, how do I view you? How do I view like the themes and things like that? Simple. It's not helping me out at all now, is it? So it's uploaded, but how do I get to it? I can also change the permissions too to like 777. No, that's to remove it or rename it. Oh yeah, let's actually rename it to like shell.php, I guess, huh? Shell.php, okay. Now how do I actually do something with you? Can I just go like /admin shell.php? No. Layout, snippets, pages, administrator, files, plugin file manager, admin plugin file manager, okay. Now where to? This is the real question. XML document. I mean, we might be able to look at that a little bit later and see something about that. Get path/public. Path/public. Is that thing? So public and then whatever it is. So is it like Wolf CMS like that? Public? It's like that? Is there no question mark in there? Okay, cool. So it's like that. So it's Wolf CMS public shell.php. And then we get a shell back over here. Okay. Now it is running PHP, right? CD and var. CD and www. Okay, CD and a Wolf CMS. We still don't know any password yet. So what I'm hoping is that he's kind of, yeah, I'm about to say that he's kind of like WordPress where he has like a config file. And I'm wondering if we can utilize that config file because port 22 is also open, right? So I'm wondering if we can use that config file to find passwords. So there's MySQL. Then we have a database user root John at 123. So And then we also have the MySQL database name of Wolf. So we might be able to get into there also. Let's go ahead and try to get an SSH first. SSH into root at 10.10.10.35. The password is John at 123. I wonder if this is going to drop a string to root also. John at 123. Maybe the guy's name is John? John? And then we'll say John at 123. Nope. It's not it either. Wolf maybe? Let's try Wolf. Says that's the database name. Is that one of them? That's obviously not working for us. MySQL, I mean, we could try to get a MySQL over here. Database DSN. So database user root. So let's go ahead and try to get a MySQL over here. So we'll do MySQL, TACU root, TACP, John at 123. Whoops. Let's try to get Python. Which Python? Okay, cat full shells. Scripts full shell. Grab him. Throw him into there. And then we'll do that MySQL TACU root TACP. I believe it's John 123. John at 123. I mean, that is a password like right there. Okay, so we're in SQL. So show databases. Might be able to crack a password now. Use Wolf. So let me go ahead and do a, whoops, I didn't grab any of this, did I? So let me go ahead and hop back over here and get all that stuff. So we went here. Boom. Search, alright, connect. Limited admin. File upload, okay. And from there we went to /shell. No, it was crap, I forgot. Wasn't shell.php, was it? That's okay. No, that's okay. It was /public shell.php /public /shell.php. We went there, right? Reverse shell. WP, or yeah, we had a config.php file. The database user should be root pass. It's going to be John at 123. All right, cool. So there's that. Now we're going to use Wolf. Show tables. You select star from user. Alright, we got quite a few things in here, but we definitely have some password hashes in here and stuff. That's a password hash. ID, name, email, username. So ID, name, email, username, password. Shit. We have to minimize it down like a little bit. username, password. So we have salt. So that's the salt for it over there. So go ahead and see if we can just throw this into John. Desktop. Oh, I did an OSCP like boxes. Well, I might as well stick to Vulnhub now. We'll go ahead and do a nano PHP or pass.text. We'll let John the Ripper try to figure that guy out, I guess. Maybe fork 4. So yeah, now he's got to kind of figure out what to do next, right? So we have, I think it's in MySQL. Let's go ahead and use that. Use MySQL. Show tables. Select star from user. Root. Okay. Not be any of those. Huh. So now we need to figure out who are we? It's a good try. Can't knock trying, you know. Where do we go from here? Because we got to that database config file, right? So cd config dot or cat config.php. Why cd in a wolf? Is there another one of these config.php files? We got that config.php file, right? We definitely have passwords. We got into the database. Obviously, they didn't use the same password, but port equals 3306. That's all correct. I think as UID bits, maybe. But we already found. Because if what was it? That one thing worked for us. What's it called? The God. Shell shock attack worked for us. We be root like right now, so that's why I'm thinking it's something easy. So let's go ahead and let's make a user pass.text, huh? Let's go ahead and cd into desktop, Vulnhub, SickOs, and then we'll do a, from here we'll do a user, nano user pass.text. So we'll try SickOs, we'll try John, we'll try admin, root, John 123. You never know. Alright. And then we'll do a, well actually let's move that user pass to user.text. Then we'll do a nano pass.text and we'll make that John. Whoa, okay. We'll do a nano, yeah, we'll say pass one dot text. We don't really need to do this because there's only one password, huh? John at 123. Let's try this. Do a Hydra, attack L, and we got user pass.text because did attack P, and this did John at 123. We're gonna SSH 10 10 10 35 35. Goddamn, it's not 35 port 22. SickOs John 123. Okay, so let's try that. Let's go ahead and SSH into SickOs at 10.10.10.35. Password John 123. John at 123, excuse me. Okay, so let's go ahead and cat that file again, like real quick. Cat user.txt. Should probably get the command I did in there. Because I have a super brain fart for Hydra. We'll throw him into here. And now we're in. Okay. Sudo tac L. That's not going to work because I literally just took a bunch of pictures and those are what's saved, isn't it? Oh, I can run all. So, su root. Or it should be sudo su, huh? There we go. And then we'll cd into root. And we are done. So we can cat that guy right there. And we got our root.txt file. There we go. And that is SickOs. That is SickOs 1.1. All completed for everybody. Cool. Well, that was an easy day, right? That was a fun day. And so now we did that one. Let's go ahead and just move straight over into SickOs. Let me guess, I didn't record this either, did I? No, I still did not record. I still forgot to record this. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, going back, starting over. I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead and we'll power that off. I'm going to start up SickOs 2 again, even though we just did it. Let me go ahead and right click, go to pond. Looks like this one's going to stay as a, this one's just going to stay as just a live one. Am I late? Rose Redemption, we just finished up SickOs 1. So, and I'm about to go over SickOs 2 again, just so they're all in the same video. But I can go over SickOs 1 like really quickly because I did not record a single thing of it. But we're just going to keep it as a live video. So SickOs 1, we'll say, okay, we pawn that. Let's go back into SickOs 2, so they're both in the same video because I definitely did not take a video of that yesterday either. He said, yeah, you are. Just watch the live stream over again. It's not, this one's going to stay a live stream. It's not going to come down. So it'll be up today and stay there forever. Well, until YouTube takes them down again, because that's happened once before. Let me go ahead and close that out. Close him out. Exit out here. And clear this out. Sudo net discover. We'll also run a mmap scan at the same time. Tac sn to ping. I think I also have a ping script now. 1034, okay. Cool. So we'll go ahead and attack 10.34. Let's go ahead and do an mmap scan on tac. Yep, all the way to 34. Alright, that seems to be taking it. Okay, we got port 80. Let's go ahead and also try a rust scan just in case. Let's also, since we got port 80, we'll throw a nicto scan in there. Tac URL 10.10.10.34, right? And then we'll also throw in a GoBuster scan 10.10.10.34. Looks like we found a test at one point. Alright, we do find a test. That's immediately what we find actually. So let's go ahead and check out 10.10.10.34 and see what's going on with that. Remember, I did have to make that proxy, right? So we'll go ahead and we will, preferences, get rid of that proxy. So, no proxy. Okay. And then we'll go to 10.10.10.34. Oh yeah. Yeah, we just did this one just the other day. We got nothing in here whenever we do a control U, okay? Cool. But we did have a /test now, didn't we? And then this checkout thing. Now, do you remember that checkout thing? I remember that was kind of a rabbit hole also, wasn't it? So we'll go to /test. Let's see what this is all about. Yes, we can do a nicto Now I'm starting to remember this guy. We can do a curl on that guy, right? And we'll do a tac v, yeah, tac v, tac x option, right? And that's going to show us what options we have for this guy, right? And it'll show us that we can actually put something. No, that wasn't the command. I think I actually have it written in here. Cat for my scripts. It's called curl, right? Did I name it curl something? I swear I've been saving scripts and they have not been actually saving. Maybe I should put it in here. There we go. So we can do a curl tac v. Curl tac v, tac x, then an option, right? Option for a test. That's what it says to do. At least like right there. And I am not getting what I want to see back. Ten 34. Options. That's why options. All right. So if we go to options, okay, we'll see for allow. I am allowed to put something. Okay. So there's nothing else to attack here. We tried multiple things the other day to attack something, and we weren't able to find anything, right? So from there, we did a curl tac v, and we did a git command, right? So we did a curl tac v, tac x, and we put in this git command like right here. All right, for IP address, we obviously did 10.10.10.34, and we did rev tac shell, right? Or no, we did command, and we put that in the test shell. That's correct. Test shell, or was it test rev shell? It might have been test rev shell. Test rev tac shell. All right, and he's going to put him in there. All right, so now you can see like right here, we can actually go to rev shell or whatever. But we go to test slash rev shell, and since we put that command in there, that php get command, right? We can now do a rev shell dot php question mark command equals something like who am I? And we see that we're www data or ID, or something much more malicious. Let's do a which Python, and we get our user bin Python. So let's go ahead and cat for our scripts, our reverse Python.txt, right? This one's going much faster because we literally just did this one yesterday. So if you're watching yesterday, this should all just be a refresher for you. 10.10.10.34. And if you remember also from yesterday, we also had a big problem with the firewall. So let's go ahead and just change this to 443 because we were, 34, 443. So let's go ahead and do an NC LVMP 443. All right, we'll hit enter on that. And we should get a callback over here, and we don't because I freaking suck because I actually wrote down 10.10.10.34. So I'm trying to call this thing literally back to itself. This should be my IP address of 10.10.10.15 443. And we get ourselves a callback, right? Cool. From here, I don't remember what we did. So if anybody in chat remembers, that'd be great. What does Juice Shop series? When does the Juice Shop series start? Probably tomorrow. Because I just wanted to do these two SickOs's for you. They're going to be live. They're just going to stay on the live stream because I forgot to record them again. But we'll go back over Juice Shop again tomorrow. That should be a good time to do it or whatever. So we hop back into here right now. I don't remember what the hell I did after this. Did I do a cat SUID scripts? SUID lookup.txt. Was this the one that was... It's cat Etsy cron tab. Okay, so then we did a cat Etsy, or no, CD into Etsy cron dot daily, right? Last tech LA? Yes, so we got into here and we started messing with this check rootkit. And did I ever actually keep that? Probably not, huh? I probably did not keep that at all. So let's go ahead and lstack LA. Or actually cat scripts. How did I do that? Check rootkit one. Cron job lookup, cookie stealer, change password, PHP. And I probably did not keep that guy, did I? But you know what I did keep was notes for him. Alright, good job, Ryan. Alright, so from here we obviously have our check root, right? Check rootkit there, okay. And now we have to go ahead and follow this exploit right here. The problem is that if we just follow that exploit, we kind of can't like right now because we're not on a machine that's connected to the internet, right? So there we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and look up that exploit right there, right? Let me go ahead and copy him. We'll bring back over to Windows over here. There we go. And there's that exploit right here. And this guy, he does a really good job explaining it and what exactly to do and how to exploit this, okay? So we are going to echo make directory into temp update. All right. Let's go ahead and do that again. So let's go ahead and go into there, echo. It's going to be a, so we can name it whatever we want. Make directory into /temp / Ryan something. Yeah, you did something cron tab. Yeah, I remember that. I was like, crap. And then we're going to echo that into a folder that's called temp update. All right. So what we're doing like right now is we're going to see, are we going to be able to actually run something from that cron job /temp update from this check rootkit cron job that's running like right here daily. It says we're going to see, can we put this right here, make directory for temp whatever this is, okay, into temp update. This check root is going to look inside update and see if anything's in there, and he's going to run whatever's in there, right? So if we put something like this in there, and we go cd/temp, ls-la, and we just kind of wait, all right, there's an update, like right there, cool, all right, and we just continue just to wait, he should finally make this, should. I can cat that update and make sure that, yeah, everything's good, make directory, okay, cool, and yeah, now it's just a waiting game. I do not remember waiting this long last time, though. Am I even in the correct /temp? CD. I do not remember taking this long the last time. Oh, we have to make it executable, don't we? Change mode 777 for update. That's probably why. Because we have to make him executable. There we go. I was about to say, I don't remember it taking very long last time, though. So if we look at update, yep, he's all executable and everything. So from there, all we would have to do is just change my guy to be a sudoers, right? Go into the sudoers file, right? Supposedly. And he still seems to be taking a while now, doesn't he? I remember yesterday it only taking like 3 seconds. This time it's taking a lot more. Make directory /temp /something. Okay, there we go. So it made that directory now, right? So now we know that whatever's running, it is actually coming in here. And it's running that. And so it made that directory. There's nothing in there. A CD, whatever that is, there's nothing in it. Nothing in here. But we do know now that that check root is calling back to this update like right here. So from here what we can do is we can just kind of tell them, hey, I want to be SUID, right? So we can kind of do something like that, right? We can say, hey, go ahead and run a echo change mode 777 for Etsy sudoers and echo www data all equals no password, right? All, and we're going to append that into /Etsy sudoers. Now remember, this is all being ran as root, so this will all work. And I'm trying to make www data become root. That's what I'm essentially trying to do. Or at least allow him into the root group. That's these sudoers. That's, and we're going to throw that into temp update. And we're going to overwrite whatever's in there, and he'll go ahead and he'll run that. So now if I do a cat for temp update, we can now see that that whole guy's in there, and now all the other crap that I had before. So now we just keep doing an ID, and we wait until we have a different ID. Right? And hopefully that works. That guy's still executable. Maybe just try CD in the root. Nope. And we're still waiting. So hopefully it actually works. Cat update, www password all, no password all. Can we just do like a sudo su? Sudo su again, because it is supposed to be changing at the 440. Change mode 777 for Etsy sudoers, and then echo that. Is that correct? What I did like right there? Echo change mode 777 Etsy sudoers, and then echo all no password. Pretty sure that's exactly what I did last time. For some reason this time it's not working. And then 440, that's your sudoers. So I should just be able to do a sudo su or su root. Can I do that? I don't have his password, I don't know. Sudo su. No valid sudo resource found, quitting, sudo unable to initialize policy plugin. That's super weird. Because I'm pretty sure this is exactly what we did yesterday. Unless somebody else remembers something different. Sudo su root? No. That should be 0440, but it's not exactly what I did yesterday. Or is it because now, because the boxes actually save everything? Is that what's kind of screwing me up like right now? Cat update, sudo su, yeah, see? Then you just do a sudo su, and then it should be a who am I. And we are not getting that because the boxes save everything. So that is the first way to do it. We're going to go ahead and do it the other way. I think that we did it before. We did it that way. And we're going to do a echo join cat scripts bash reverse shell. Okay. We're going to echo this guy in there. Crap. Okay, so we're just going to echo bash tac I. Actually, it would be easier to do it down here, wouldn't it? There. And that's going to be 10, 10, 10, 15, right? We already figured out there was a firewall on this guy, so we want to go ahead and make this port 80, right? We're going to echo him into /temp update. Looks like we can also do an nc tac e if we want to. So let's go ahead and do a, should just be able to copy and paste that guy in there. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that update now. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and do a sudo nc tac lvmp on port 80. Actually, didn't have to do the like that, did I? And then we'll wait for a callback over here. Should be I have 10, 10, 10, 15, right? Yep, 10, 10, 10, 15. Listing on port 80. That's going through port 80 for bash. wonder if I should have did it through like another port. This is really weird that's not working like right now. Like nothing's working. So I obviously did it last time because that's what I did. This should allow for it to be put in the sewage file without password and sudo SU. Wait a few minutes for cron job to run. Yeah, we wait a few minutes. It's still not running down here yet either, which is really weird. Maybe an NC TAC E. Yeah, it definitely has bin bash. Okay. We can always go for an NC TAC E. Might just need a whole new box in all honesty. Maybe I should do it for like port 443 maybe? Maybe he's getting confused at port 80. I don't know why it's not working anymore though, but the video is about to end. Even if it doesn't work, it's about to end because we know that it worked yesterday. We saw it work yesterday and everything. So we know that will work. It just doesn't want to work today. That's all. It's not getting anything back down here. And I'm wondering if it has to do with the box already existing. Because like, you know, these boxes, they don't like revert like they would in Try Hack Me or Proving Grounds or anything like that. I'd have to make a clone of it at the beginning and then go from there. So that's why I'm wondering. And like if you do this to your box for the first time, you're probably already root wondering what the hell I'm doing over here. Yeah, this is really, really strange, like right now. Let's go ahead and just try copy and paste that guy in there one more time. I don't think I can actually even copy and paste him. Yeah, I think so. Because of the quotation marks there. There, and then like right there. That was all echo crap at the end here. I don't want all you. Stop doing this all echo crap at the end there. Yeah. Doesn't look like I'm going to actually be able to do this with this box just because I've already used them and stuff like that. We'd have to re-download them and everything. I mean, we could, but I mean, I don't know if it's really worth it to do it. We could always just type in here, I think, like cat, and then make it another file. We could always do something like that, like cat, the root, like right there, but I don't think we're going to go through all that. Because I think I'm going to have to download a whole new box to do it. This one's probably broken by now from all the crap we did to it yesterday. But just know that this will work with it. You go ahead and do it to yourself. You do it on your own box. People are here yesterday. They all saw that guy go through and everything. I'm a little bit disappointed that's not working like right now. It's almost like he's not taking the second part of the command. He's saying, hey, you can't, Etsy pseudo words has to be 440. Like, we're putting that in. We're just trying to change it at the beginning. Okay. I want to make sure I typed that all in correctly first. Change mode 777/Etsy pseudo words and echo www tag data all equals no password colon all. Yep, tag Etsy pseudo words and change mode 440 for Etsy pseudo words. Okay. Pseudo su. Yep, he's not gonna. We broke him too much yesterday. So, he's not going to get in there like right now today. That's okay. I'll give him like another minute. Oh, we did get it. There we go. Finally. So let's CD into root. And we did get it. And we got our cat down. I wonder if I misspelled it the first time. I wonder why he wasn't getting anything called back over here. Probably because of that firewall or something. I mean, he had something on there because he wasn't doing anything with callbacks stuff like that unless it was certain ports. So cool. There we go. All right, so we did get in, and there we are. So that's how to do SickOs 2. Next thing we're going to be doing is a